Introducing Event Relay, the newest innovation from Harness that lets you instantly trigger pipelines based on real time events from tools like Slack, PagerDuty, and other artifact registries. With Event Relay, managing event driven automation is faster, more secure, and incredibly easy to validate. Let's dive in. Managing pipeline triggers across different tools can be complex and error prone. In a polling based setup, when a new artifact is uploaded to a Nexus repository, a polling job runs every few minutes, checking for updates. If no new artifact is found, it waits for the next cycle, causing delays. Finally, when the artifact is detected, the pipeline starts, but by then, valuable time is lost. With Event Relay, we eliminate polling and enable instant real time triggers for faster deployments. Let's walk through how to automatically trigger a deployment pipeline when a new artifact is pushed to Nexus repository using Event Relay. This process eliminates the need for manual intervention, making your CI/CD pipeline faster and more efficient. First, we'll create a generic webhook in our project settings. You can also add a webhook at account or org level if needed. This webhook will listen for the events triggered by Nexus repository whenever a new artifact is uploaded. So go to your project settings, click on webhook, create a new webhook, give a name to your webhook, choose the webhook type as generic. Each event can be validated with HMAC authentication, ensuring that only secure, authorized requests trigger your pipelines. This adds an additional layer of security to your automation. We have set up the webhook for our Nexus repository. Now, we'll copy and paste this trigger provided by Harness into our Nexus repository webhook configuration. We already have a webhook created for our Nexus repository. We'll paste the URL in the URL field. You have to provide the secret key if you're using HMAC as your authentication method. Now, let's go ahead and create an event relay trigger in our deployment pipeline. This trigger will listen to the Nexus webhook event and automatically starts the deployment pipeline. Select New Trigger. Under Webhook, click on Event Relay. Give a name to your trigger. Select the webhook that you have previously created. You can also add header conditions and payload conditions. Now we have our trigger created. Now this trigger is ready to listen for the event whenever a new artifact is uploaded to Nexus. Now let's upload a new artifact, for example a new tag, to a Nexus repository. Once the artifact is uploaded, Event Relay picks up the event and triggers the deployment pipeline automatically. Now we'll run the pipeline. Upload is already done to our Nexus repository. Now let's go to our deployment pipeline. As you can see, the deployment is triggered just in seconds after we have uploaded a new artifact to our Nexus repository. You can also check the last activation for your trigger. It was triggered 54 seconds ago. You can also view the activity history for your trigger and check for the payload. As you can see, we have uploaded a new tag event relay, to our Nexus repository, and it is successfully uploaded. So the event was successfully received, confirming that event relay trigger is working as expected. With Event Relay, your pipelines can be triggered instantly by any event, like a new artifact uploaded to Nexus repository, ensuring faster, real-time automation. Experience the power of seamless, event-driven pipeline management with Harness Event Relay today. You can check out the docs in Harness Developer Hub. The link will be provided in the description. Thank you.